Today we will take you from the beautiful Costa del Sol to the UK's most famous real estate exhibition. Welcome to A Place in the Sun live in London. We're here at the UK's biggest overseas property event to bring you the taste and feel of the Costa del Sol. Yeah.
I want to be able to see my neighbours just around the corner.
Yeah, you need that. And it's very difficult.
This is a great event to share exciting opportunities and the dynamics of the real estate market on the Costa del Sol.
Yeah, it's close. You're 15-20 minutes away from Marbella.